Hey everyone, this is Jimmy with Bessler Homes. Just bringing you a video today to go over homeowner maintenance responsibilities, what that means, and what your part in that is. All right, so one important thing to remember is that as a new homeowner, you now own your house. It's not like you're renting it from a landlord. So there are certain maintenance responsibilities which would fall on you as the owner. It's kind of like when you buy a new car, it comes with a warranty, but you still have to fill it with gas, you still have to get oil changes. And so these are kind of the things that we consider just part of the general upkeep and maintenance of your house that you will be responsible for moving forward. Your homeowner maintenance responsibilities include repairing all cosmetic damages, including minor paint and drywall touch-ups that were not documented prior to closing, grout maintenance, including tile and grout sealing, repairing caulking inside and outside of your home, which would include areas around doors and windows, around sinks, toilets, and shower enclosures, inside and around your tile backsplash or where countertop to backsplash unions occur, minor cracking where drywall meets drywall, cracks in concrete flatwork and exterior flatwork control joints, soffit to fascia unions, and more. This also includes adjustments in exterior door thresholds, interior and exterior door adjustments and hardware, cleaning out sliding window and door tracks as needed, removing your garden hose from connections and winterizing your sprinkler system before temperatures get below freezing. Making sure that your garage heater is running. Be sure to keep it set to 40 degrees or higher in winter months. Make sure to maintain grade and drainage on your property. This includes adding any erosion prevention measures for slopes. Consult site plan for any landscaping changes. All drainage and grades are certified. No drainage, grade, or erosion issues are covered under warranty after closing. Sprinkler timer scheduling, sprinkler head maintenance or replacement after closing, or sprinkler leaks after 30 days of closing. To learn more about each of these responsibilities, check out the following videos in this playlist for detailed instructions.